Hello guys, I hope you are good. So welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. So if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates like this. So this is the part related to the decorator as we discussed earlier, like as a track. Now I am going to discuss like as a wire at the rate wire decorator in LWC. So yeah, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started without any further delay. So let me open my VS Code, and here you can see this is my VS Code, and let me create one lightning web component like as a wire demo. And this wire demo, here you can see my component is created like as a wire demo, and here you can see like that. Okay, so these are three files like as a wire demo.js and .html and .maven XML. So these all kinds of default scaffolding in LWC. So right now I am here. Yeah, so if you are working in any decorator, so first of all we need to import like as a at the rate wire from LWC package module. Okay, so I just imported this wire, and first of all we need to create some apex class. So let me create one apex class. Okay, like as a create apex class, and like a account demo, like that. Once you create this apex class, and this apex class contain by default one constructor. Okay, like that. So and now here you can see this is account demo control class, and I need to write some code for fetching the account details. So how to do that? Just write like as a aura enable, like as a aura enable public method, and should be static, and list of account I want to return list of account. And here you mention like as a get accounts, like that. And just remove this try catch now, and here you have to write your SQL like as a you can write a single line of code like as a return, and here you can like select. Okay, like that. So here you can select id comma name comma rating from account. Okay, so like that. So our code is done. So it's a written as a list of accounts. So how to use this apex class under the LWC? Okay, so first of all we need to import like as a imp import apex, and here you can see this is the syntax to import the apex class controller, like controller. So first of all we need to copy this controller name and paste it here in this particular here, and with notation we can access the static method. Okay, so that's why I am pasting here like this, and you can change your this one as your choice. So right now I'm leaving as it is. So now here you have to write like as at the rate wire, and this in this wire we have to call like as a get apex data, and here you can put your property like as a gets accounts, like that, accounts data, something like that. You can put this property. Okay, so now here you can see like as a wire apex data, and this is the property wire property. And if you are using as a wire, so should be as a catchable is true, otherwise you get the error like CACHA ABLE equal to true. Just save it. Okay, so let me check if catchable is right or not. Okay, so go to the Google and search like catchable is equal to true, something like that. So here you can see this is the first link, and we can verify that is right or wrong. Okay, so here you can see like in developer guide, and here you can see like catchable is equal to true. So just copy this and paste it here, like in this place. Yeah, so it's right. And first of all, we need to deploy this this class like as account demo. And here you can see, like I want to deploy this, and just push source to default scratch on. And now my deployment is going on, and now here you can see my deployment process is going on still now. And after some time you can see my successfully deployed. And go to the JS. In this JS I want to access these things under the wire property. And always remember, in wire property contain have two things, like as a data, okay, like as a data, and one is error. Okay, so always remember, once you working with wire property, so it's always written like error and data, like that. Okay, so how to use this property under the HTML? So just save it and paste it here in HTML, like some designing as a card. And once you print this card, so just remove all the things, because I need another iteration with the help of some for each template, like as a for LWC for each. And here you can see, like this is a for each, and just remove this first, like as if. And in for each loop you just copy this and paste it here with data, like that. Okay, so just remove the index, because I don't want to use the index. And here you can see, like as a ACC, and this ACC I want to access the ACC, and with ACC dot name, like that. So just deploy this code, and here we go, it's working or not. Okay, so just our job is done. So it's time to testing our application is working or not. Okay, so now just a second, here you can see it's a deploy. Just go to the is expose should be true if you want to expose this component another. So just target should be like that. Save it and push it. Here you can see one processing is going on regarding deployment. Once you deploy this, so it's time to use in our application. So just here you can see, just open any application page or something like that, LWC. Okay, like as an example, so you can LWC app for now, LWC app. Okay, I'm using LWC app, and in this LWC app I want to create some page, like as a lightning page. So just here you have to search like as a lightning app. Once you search this, go to the lightning app builder, and once you go this lightning app builder, so here you can see different types of page. So right now I'm clicking one page, like that, app page. Next, like as a wire demo, and next should be based on your requirement. You can choose, like I am choosing that 3 region, then finish. Okay, and yeah, just save it and activate. Once you activate, so it's going to like as a lightning experience. So it's a LWC app. Under the LWC app I want to use this like as a wire demo. Save it. Once you save this, so it's time to inject our component under this application. How to do that? Just, and here you can see like as a wire demo. Okay, so here you can see like wire demo, and here also you can see like as a wire demo. Just drag and drop, and here you can see like as a save. Once you save this, go back, and here we go, the all accounts. Like with this application, just search the application name like as a LWC app. Okay, and go this application, and here we can see, yeah, so these all our accounts records in from the accounts object. So this is how we can work on wire decorator in LWC. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce. So again, welcome, and we will soon see ya. Bye bye, take care.